In this video, I will try my best to get a sub-20 on camera. I don't know how long this video will take because I don't usually get sub-20 and I rarely get them. And I got 26 for my first try, so let's see what we can get from there. We could have got it right there. So close. We'll try more. It's harder than I thought it would be. Let's keep solving. Finally, I got it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and comment for any suggestion.